Welcome back to Mindful Mentors 12. Today we're diving into a revolution in personal finance AI wealth coaches. Personalize your finances in 2025. For years, top-tier financial advice was only for the wealthy. Now, AI puts a personal advisor in your pocket, 24/7. This isn't just about tracking spending, it's about getting tailored advice for everything from your coffee budget to your retirement plan. We'll break down 10 actionable strategies to use these AI apps to budget, invest, and build wealth smarter than ever. If you're serious about your financial future, grab a notebook and let's jump in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more wealth-building tips. So what exactly is an AI wealth coach? Think of it as a financial advisor in app form, analyzing your accounts, learning your habits, and giving you real-time personalized advice. These apps connect securely to your bank, credit cards, and investments, using advanced algorithms to spot trends and opportunities. They can flag forgotten subscriptions, suggest better savings accounts, and even predict budget shortfalls before they happen. The tech is getting smarter every year, moving from basic budgeting to full financial strategy. Don't be intimidated. AI is just a tool to make your life easier and your wallet healthier. Curious or skeptical? Drop your thoughts in the comments and check out our beginner's guide linked below. Ready to try an AI coach? Choosing the right app is crucial. There's no one-size-fits-all. Your needs, debt payoff, irregular income, investing should guide your choice. Look past flashy marketing. Prioritize features like security, bank integration, and goal setting. Apps like Monarch Money, Copilot, and Empower Personal Dashboard each have unique strengths. Test free trials, read reviews, and make sure the app fits your style before committing. My top picks for 2025 are in the description. Let me know your must-have features in the comments. Don't skimp on setup. Link every account. Checking, savings, credit cards, loans, investments, even your mortgage. The more data you provide, the smarter the AI's advice. Legitimate apps use bank-level security so your info stays safe. Take time to categorize transactions accurately. The AI learns from your corrections. Detailed categories mean powerful insights, like pinpointing exactly where your money leaks. This foundation is what drives real change in your habits. Have you set up an AI coach before? Share your experience below. AI makes budgeting effortless. Once your accounts are linked, the app tracks every dollar automatically. It suggests realistic budgets based on your habits, then monitors your progress in real time. Want to save more? Adjust your targets and let the AI keep you on track with timely alerts. You'll spot hidden leaks, like unused subscriptions or daily coffee splurges, without manual tracking. Most users boost their savings rate by 5–15% in just a few months. Let the AI handle the math so you can focus on smarter decisions. What's your favorite budgeting app? Drop it in the comments. AI wealth coaches democratize investment analysis, no more guesswork or expensive advisors. These apps review your portfolio, highlight risky allocations, and suggest diversification based on your goals. They flag high-fee funds and recommend cost-effective alternatives, saving you thousands over time. New to investing? AI can help you build a portfolio from scratch and explain every step. Start small, even $50 a month, and let the AI optimize your returns. You'll learn as you grow, making smarter choices with every dollar. Tried AI investing? Share your story below. Vague goals don't work. AI helps you set specific, actionable targets. Tell the app your dream, like buying a house or building an emergency fund, and it breaks it into monthly steps. The AI analyzes your budget, suggests where to cut, and automates your savings. Progress bars and reminders keep you motivated as you inch closer to your goals. Set multiple goals and let the AI help you prioritize. What's your top financial goal for 2025? Make it real by sharing below. Your net worth is your financial scorecard. Track it monthly for real progress. AI coaches automate this, pulling data from all your accounts and debts to show your true net worth in real time. Watching your net worth rise is incredibly motivating and helps curb impulse spending. It gamifies wealth building, making every smart move visible. Check your net worth chart weekly to stay focused on your goals. Are you tracking your net worth? Tell us how it's going. High-interest debt is a wealth killer. AI can help you crush it fast. See all your debts and interest rates in one place, then let the app build a payoff plan using proven strategies like Snowball or Avalanche. The AI finds extra cash in your budget to speed up your debt-free date. Concrete numbers and timelines turn debt payoff into a winnable game. Every payment gets you closer to freedom. Share your debt payoff wins in the comments. Security is non-negotiable. Choose apps with bank-level encryption and trusted third-party connectors like Plaid. Always enable two-factor authentication or biometrics. Use strong, unique passwords and beware of phishing scams. Only download apps from official stores. Protect your data and enjoy the benefits of AI with confidence. Got security tips? Help the community by sharing below. Don't go it alone. Join communities of people using AI to improve their finances. Many apps have built-in forums or Discord servers for sharing tips and celebrating wins. Reddit and other online groups are goldmines for advice and motivation. Community support keeps you accountable and inspired. Learn, share, and grow together for faster results. What's your favorite finance community? Let us know. That's your blueprint for financial freedom with AI in 2025. From choosing the right app to automating your budget, optimizing investments, setting goals, tracking net worth, crushing debt, staying secure, and joining communities, these strategies will transform your finances. Start small, stay consistent, and let AI guide your journey. Which strategy will you try first? Share in the comments, like, subscribe, and check the description for our free AI wealth guide and top app picks. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep growing, and see you next time.